Hello everyone, welcome back to CyberSharks. In this video, we are going to set up Wiresharks on Ubuntu and get it ready for real network analysis. As you can see, we do not have Wireshark installed previously in our Ubuntu system. So we are going to follow a simple step to install Wireshark. This step is similar for another Linux too. So let's get started. At first, update the Ubuntu by typing command. It will ask you yes or no. So press yes and proceed. In our case, it do not ask. After updation, let's install Wireshark by typing this command apt up install Wireshark. Press yes here. Press yes here. It will ask should non-sudo user be able to capture packet. We'll say yes, press on yes and proceed. Installation is done. So let's check an app. Here you can see Wireshark. Let's run Wireshark. So open terminal and simply type Wireshark. It will open Wireshark. We'll Here we are going to capture traffic from this interface. So select the interface and start capturing. And that's it. Wireshark is now installed and fully configured in your Ubuntu system, ready for packet capture and network troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and enable notification for more Linux and cybersecurity content.